Most AI updates are predictable. Higher resolution, faster exports, slightly cleaner frames. Useful? Sure. Game-changing? Rarely. But Seedance 2.0 isn't being discussed like a routine upgrade. It's being analysed, and that alone makes it interesting. Instead of asking whether it looks better, creators are asking deeper questions. Why is the motion holding up? How are characters staying stable across frames? Why does the scene feel coherent instead of stitched together? When the conversation shifts from visuals to structure, you know something meaningful might be happening. Let's break down why. First, input handling. Traditional AI video systems are mostly prompt-dependent. You describe something. The model guesses what you mean. You refine, you regenerate, you repeat. Seedance 2.0 is showing early signs of something more layered. Creators are combining reference images, motion samples, audio direction, and text guidance as a unified control system. Not separate steps, not fragmented inputs, one cohesive instruction layer. That changes the relationship between creator and model. You are no longer begging the system to interpret you correctly. You are directing it with context. Second, iteration control. This is where most AI workflows quietly fall apart. Small change, regenerate everything. Extend timing, regenerate. Fix background, regenerate. And every regeneration risks instability. Details shift, faces drift, lighting changes, motion breaks. But early previews suggest Seedance 2.0 allows modification without full resets, adjustments without total reconstruction. If that holds true, it is not a cosmetic improvement, it is a workflow shift. Because speed in creative work is not generation speed, it is correction speed. Now let's talk about motion. Motion is where AI video usually exposes itself. Humans are extremely sensitive to physical logic, weight, balance, acceleration, micro transitions. Even beautiful frames fail if movement feels wrong. What's interesting is that creators aren't just praising how Seedance 2.0 looks. They're evaluating how it moves. That tells you the system may be addressing something deeper than surface quality. Then there's consistency. Earlier AI models struggled with identity drift, faces morphing, clothing changing, subtle texture shifts between frames. Those small inconsistencies make storytelling difficult. Seedance 2.0 previews are triggering repeated observations about stability. Characters holding form, outfits staying locked, visual continuity maintained across sequences. For narrative creators, that's critical, because consistency transforms AI video from novelty into usable production infrastructure. Another important factor is platform integration. Seedance 2.0 is being surfaced inside ecosystems like Higgsfield.ai, rather than positioned as a standalone experimental model. That matters. AI tools are evolving from isolated generators into embedded creative engines inside structured workflows, less about single outputs, more about repeatable systems, and platform-level integration is usually where adoption accelerates. Now, a necessary reality check. Specifications are not officially confirmed. Public previews, creator tests, and community discussion form the basis of current analysis. Features may shift, capabilities may evolve. But creator behavior is often the most reliable early signal. And right now, behavior suggests attention is increasing. So why does Seedance 2.0 feel different? Not because of one rumored feature, but because multiple independent signals point in the same direction. lower friction, stronger motion logic, higher visual stability, flexible iteration control. Friction reduction drives adoption more than visual upgrades ever will. The tools that win are the ones that quietly integrate into workflow and stop demanding attention. Seedance 2.0 has not fully arrived yet, but creators are preparing for it. And in AI video, preparation often precedes momentum. We are moving into a phase where AI video is less about impressive clips and more about controllable creative systems. If Seedance 2.0 delivers on even part of what early signals suggest, it could play a meaningful role in that transition. Here's why this matters beyond just one release. AI video is moving through phases. Phase 1, novelty. Phase 2, higher resolution. Phase 3, control. Seedance 2.0 appears aligned with Phase 3. Control over, motion, audio, character, identity, scene, continuity, iteration, refinement. And control is what transforms generative tools into reliable creative infrastructure. Now, quick clarification. Specifications are not officially confirmed. Everything discussed today is based on public previews, official pages, and community discussions as of February 2026. Features may evolve at launch, but creator behavior right now is telling, and behavior often predicts impact better than announcements. Seedance 2.0 hasn't officially dropped yet. But the signals are aligning: multimodal input mixing, native audio generation, in-model editing, advanced motion synthesis, stronger character consistency. If even part of this holds true at scale, we're looking at a major step forward in AI storytelling. If you want early access, check the links in the description and pinned comment. Keep watching this space, because the biggest shifts don't arrive loudly. They build momentum quietly. And right now, that momentum is building. Keep watching the space, because the biggest shifts rarely announce themselves loudly. They reveal themselves through patterns. And right now, the pattern is getting harder to ignore.